Namaskar. I am going to sing a Husari Geet and I will tell the meaning of this Husari Geet after the ending of this song in English. I will tell this Husari Geet in English after the ending of this song. Oh Mohan, oh Mohan, Yenu Bahi Bojala, Ratinu Durpanekha. Udania Jomuna Jole o Baita Udania Jomuna Jole Iwo Muhon Iwo Muhon Eki Mahi Jojala Pinur Ponekha Udania Jomuna Mohan, ayo mu, inu mai, yo jala, rati nudur ponika, yola, ya jomuna, jole o, waita, yola ya jomuna, jole. Now I am going to tell you the meaning of this Bihu Geet. Om Mohan Kinu Bahi Bodala. Actually, Om Mohan means hello, my dear. Mohan means actually Krishna. Krishna actually he is the supreme master of this song, melodious song, and also he know how to play flute. Actually, he is the master of this. And when he is actually give the tune, melodious tune in this flute, then what happened that Jamuna river, in India Jamuna river actually flowing continuously towards the downstream. But that Jamuna river, when she actually listen this fluid, melodious tune of the fluid, actually going to move upward. Going to move upward. You see the, so that is the actually now this supreme power, supreme name, supreme power. I am going to tell you actually in the fluid, actually going to see, show the mighty power of the song. As soon as Jamuna river heard this song, then she going to move upward instead of coming downward. So I am going to tell you now that is the Harinam. Now in this case I am going to tell you one example. Then Lord actually Vaikuntha in Vaikuntha, that actually Krishna, he is permanently staying in Vaikuntha, Tiro. And Vaikuntha actually he is actually he is omniscient. He is Antarjami. He knows the hearts of all. So one day what happened? He knew that the owner of the knowledge, head of the knowledge, Saraswati, she became proud. Then because she thought that I am the master of all this knowledge, I am all supreme. So Vaikuntha, actually Antarjami, supreme power came to know this. Then Sutimra thought that I want to destroy this proudness feeling of Saraswati. So with that he called Indra of heaven, and Indra came. Then actually Supreme Power told Indra, hello my dear Indra, you arrange a musical competition in the heaven, and you invite all the competitors, musicians, to attend this, to show their talent. So he invited all, and Saraswati, the knowledge of head of knowledge also came, participate as a competitor. Then Vaikuntha, that is supreme power, then called Hanuman, Pavan Putta Hanuman, actually son of Pavan, the Bihu. He called Pavan Putta Hanuman, supreme power. Hanuman came. Then when Hanuman came, always Hanuman, he does not know which is Krishna. Who is Krishna? But Krishna knows, Hanuman knows me as Ram. So when Hanuman came, then Krishna converted in the appearance of Ram. Phenotype became. Understand now? Then Hanuman told, Prabhu, hey my Lord, tell me why you are calling me. Then Supreme Power told him, Hanuman, I am going to give the name in a musical competition in heaven, and you will be the one competitor. You please, I want to give the name of you. Then Hanuman told him, Supreme Power, hey Prabhu, hey my God, hey my Lord, I do not know what is this. I do not know Saregamapa. I do not know Saregamapa. How can I compete? Then Supreme Power told him, you whatever you like, please you represent, please you give. Then Hanuman, he cannot disobey the orders of Supreme Power, Lord Ram. Then he came, and in a fixed day, the musical competition held. Actually, first of all, Saraswati is the first competitor. She first began to sing in Veena. Veena, a musical instrument made up of, I think, 7 or 6 strings, I forget. So with this Veena, Saraswati are going to sing melodiously. When she sing or play the Veena melodiously, then that flowing river with a great speed become stop, no movement. Then birds are singing, flowers are opening, and gentle breezes are blowing, like that. Then after finishing, all are telling the wah, 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 really, really, she is great, she is great, she is great. Other composer also gave their talent. But ultimately, final decision came that Saraswati will secure the first position. Then actually announcer told lastly, then okay, one competitor is left now, and other said that his name is Hanuman, Pavanputra Hanuman. Then all laughs. But in this great Soha, actually Brahma Vishnu Mahesh are also sitting, and when then Hanuman saw the face of Ram, then Ram simply telling, you sing. And Hanuman then began to sing with portal. Then Siti ke sati bole apuni Pavan Putra Hanuman. So what is the mean? Hanuman, Ekman, with heart and soul, he began to sing the songs and opening the heart. And like that, Siti ke sati bole apuni Pavan Putra Hanuman. मेरा मन में बसे है राम, मेरा तन में बसे है राम. Actually, in my body, my Ram, in my actually heart, my Ram. So then when Hanuman began to sing, then what happened, you know? Then flowing river, actually going with a great speed towards the downstream, began to stop and again move to opposite direction, just like actually Jamuna river. When Krishna give the melodious tune in the field. Then, and when this river went in the opposite direction, then in the flowers are blooming, gentle breezes are blowing, and birds are singing. And also, what is happening? In the meantime, the flowers blooming, then seedling, and after maturity, seed come to earth, and again it's a germination occurs, and new plant, and grown up, again mature, that plant, and flowering, and after flowering, again seedling, again like that. So ultimately, final decision, what happened, you know, that Hanuman secured the first position. Then Saraswati, I actually realized I became proud. Actually, ultimately, he lay down to the soul of the Supreme Power. Hey God, hey Supreme Power, excuse me for that. I became proud, so excuse me for that. That is the use of the Nam. I am telling the Namara Mohima. So, what I am going to tell you, actually, I am going to tell you, Siti ke sati bole apune Pavan Putra Hanuman. So, you take the Nam, Supreme Power Nam, work, do good works without expectation. And in this case, I am actually recollecting one poem written by Lord Tennyson. Forward the light brigade, search for the guns. He said, into the valley of death, into the mount of hell, rode the 600. Cannon to right of them, cannon to left of them, cannon in front of them, cannon behind them. Forward, into the valley of death, rode the 600. Forward the light brigade, search for the guns. So we should be like that. So that is actually the power of the actually Nam, Supreme Power name. And do good works and do exercise, take good food, humble food, and without expectation. So thank you very much. This is the finishing of today's Bihu.